Hey guys, I just want to show you what I got from a nursery. I'm super excited about it. I've been wanting to grow some fruit trees, and I have a lemon and an orange tree. And I have a friend who has a grapefruit tree, and I wanted to buy one. And so I asked him what site did he go on to buy his, and he's had his for about 13 years and it's still growing. He gardens in zone 8A, which is where I garden. And so I went to this website. It is Stan McKenzie's nursery. It's actually in South Carolina. They are a couple hours away from here, so I thought I would do a little unboxing and see what kind of how they shipped it and how well it's preserved. As you can see, the box, there's really no damage. It's priority mail. I'm gonna keep it upright since it came delivered like this. Simple box. So let's see what we get. I'm super excited about this. I've been wanting to grow my own fruit and my own vegetables. I love gardening, but I'm pretty much a newbie at everything, so I'm just trying everything this year out. This knife is super sharp. And they're really inexpensive. McKenzie Nursery. So I bought 3 things and it looks like they're all coming separately. Okay, let's see. I hate to pull it from the top, but as you can see, here's the first plant. I think this might be the pomegranate one. Let's see. I'm going to tip it on the side, open it on the bottom, and then see if I can just pull it straight through. I think it'd be simple enough. Well, there it is. Definitely doesn't want to come out. I guess I'm going to have to cut the side of it. Well, the side doesn't seem to want to come off that easily either. Who would have thought that opening a box would be this difficult? You can see the bottom, but it definitely doesn't want to come out. Well, stuff is coming out. All right, gonna make this easier for me. I have to tear up the boxes. I'd rather the box takes the damage than the plant. And even then, the box doesn't want to come out. Well, he definitely packages very securely. Now I need to pull up the bag. There we go. Well, that was a chore. Look at all the green leaves on it. So let's see. So it comes with instruction, of course, your receipt. And then it's McKinsey Pharma Nursery. And then this is growing indoor citrus and care instruction. So this one should be my, well, this is the pomegranate. So pomegranate is supposed to be pretty hardy in this area. So I'm pretty excited to see how it will perform. And then again, like I said, I bought two grapefruit, one for my neighbor and one for myself. So it looks like he has newspaper wrapped around it to keep all of the chipping and soil from falling out. Let me get this out of the way. I feel like a box, you know, it comes in a regular pot, so it's not that big of a deal. So he did a good job of that. But it's a little bit unsturdy and loose for my liking. So I'm going to have to get this into the pot soon. You can see here's the root ball. And it lost some of its soil, so it looks like it got banged up a little bit. So I want to get this watered in and then probably plant it as soon as possible, just so it can get a little bit more anchored in. But it looks pretty healthy, and it was only, I believe this is the 1 gallon pot, so it's only $20. Definitely worth the money. I mean, if you think about it, one pomegranate is like $3 to $5 at the grocery store. So if you get, you know, 2 or 3 to harvest, that basically pays for this plant itself. So, you know, I'm hoping that my grapefruit trees will come in this good of, you know, of packaging, as well as the growth and the height and everything. It's definitely worth the money. I would definitely recommend McKinsey's Farm and Nursery going forward, if this is how all of their plants, you know, are delivered and how well they look. But yeah, I thought it would be interesting to show you guys, and I'll update you as it grows. I'm hoping that it will fruit next year. I am gonna probably pinch off any flowering buds if it has any. Well, once it flowers, then I'll pinch it off just so it doesn't fruit. That way, a lot of people say that, you know, it can get the roots established before it has to spend all the energy making fruits and whatnot. So I think I might do that, and hopefully it'll get situated in. I don't really have any instruction as to how cold hardy it is or what zone it can be in. But when I talked to the nursery gentleman who sold me this, he said that they're pretty hardy, so it can withstand zone 8A. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Thank you for watching, you guys, and I will update you when my other plants come in. I do have, like I said, 2 grapefruit, and then I also order a mango and an avocado, but that's from a different nursery. But it should come, I thought it was supposed to come by today because it's a 2-day delivery. Today would be the 2nd day, so if not today, it'll probably be here tomorrow. I hope you guys are having a great night. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.